In the bustling world of Indian business, a quiet revolution is underway, powered by the sun and wind. At the heart of this transformation is CleanMax Envirro Energy Solutions, a company that has rapidly become the go-to partner for some of the world's largest corporations seeking to go green. Founded in 2010 by the visionary Kuldeep Jain, an alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad and a former global partner at McKinsey & Company, CleanMax has carved out a unique and dominant position in India's renewable energy landscape. Jain saw a future where big businesses wouldn't just want clean energy, but would demand it as a core part of their operations, and he built a company to deliver just that. CleanMax's mission is simple yet ambitious: to help large commercial and industrial clients decarbonize their operations. This isn't just about putting a few solar panels on a roof. It's about providing comprehensive, large-scale solutions. The company specializes in developing, owning, and operating massive renewable energy projects, including vast solar farms, powerful wind installations, and innovative wind-solar hybrid systems. These projects are designed to generate clean electricity around the clock, ensuring that their clients, many of whom run power-hungry data centers and sprawling corporate campuses, have a reliable and sustainable energy source to meet their ever-growing needs. The company's expertise lies in making the complex process of adopting renewable energy seamless for its clients. Instead of navigating the intricate web of regulations, land acquisition, and project development themselves, corporations can simply partner with CleanMax. This allows them to focus on their core business, while CleanMax handles the entire green energy lifecycle, from initial planning and construction to long-term operation and maintenance. This end-to-end service has made CleanMax the undisputed leader in India's commercial and industrial renewable energy sector, a position it has solidified by consistently delivering on its promises to a roster of blue-chip international clients. The names on CleanMax's client list read like a who's who of global technology and innovation. We're talking about giants like Google, Amazon, Apple, Meta, and Cisco. These companies are not just customers. They are partners in a shared mission to achieve ambitious sustainability goals, often aiming for 100% renewable energy usage. For instance, CleanMax has developed a groundbreaking 158.4 megawatt hybrid project for Google, combining solar power from Rajasthan with wind power from Karnataka. This single project helps power Google's cloud operations and offices in India, demonstrating the sheer scale and impact of the solutions CleanMax provides to the world's most influential companies. The financial engine driving CleanMax's impressive growth is its robust and predictable business model, built on the foundation of long-term power purchase agreements, or PPAs. These are not short-term arrangements, but extensive contracts, typically spanning 20 to 25 years. Under a PPA, a corporate client agrees to purchase a set amount of electricity from a CleanMax-owned renewable energy project at a predetermined fixed tariff. This model is a win-win. The client gets protection from the volatility of traditional electricity prices and a clear path to achieving its green targets, while CleanMax secures a stable, long-term revenue stream that provides exceptional financial visibility for years to come. CleanMax was also a pioneer of the OPEX model for rooftop solar in India, a game-changer that removed the biggest barrier for companies wanting to adopt solar energy: the high upfront cost. Instead of a company having to invest millions in buying and installing solar panels, CleanMax does it for them. The client simply pays for the solar power generated on their own roof at a rate that is often cheaper than grid electricity. This innovative approach, where the client only pays for operational expenses, made solar adoption accessible and financially attractive, cementing CleanMax's reputation as a customer-centric problem solver. This strategy of long-term partnerships has proven incredibly successful. By locking in contracts that average around 23 years in duration, CleanMax has built a fortress of recurring revenue. This stability is highly attractive to investors and lenders, as it minimizes risk and allows the company to confidently plan for future expansion. It's a far cry from businesses that rely on fluctuating transactional sales. CleanMax's revenue is not just about today or tomorrow. It's about a guaranteed income stream that stretches decades into the future, underpinning its entire growth trajectory and making it a formidable player in the energy sector. The appeal for global giants like Amazon and Meta is clear. These companies have made public commitments to run their operations on 100% renewable energy. Meeting these net zero goals is non-negotiable, and they need reliable partners who can deliver green power at an industrial scale. CleanMax provides precisely that. By signing a long-term PPA, these tech titans can secure a massive supply of clean energy, lock in their energy costs for the long haul, and proudly report their progress on sustainability to their customers, investors, and regulators. CleanMax essentially becomes their outsourced green energy department, a role it performs with unmatched expertise. The recent explosion of data centers and artificial intelligence in India has been a phenomenal tailwind for CleanMax. These digital factories are the backbone of our modern economy, but they are incredibly power-intensive. As India positions itself as a global hub for data storage and AI development, the demand for electricity is soaring. More importantly, the global tech companies building these facilities are under immense pressure to power them sustainably. This has created a perfect storm of opportunity for CleanMax, which has emerged as the premier energy partner for this high-growth sector, a fact reflected in its extraordinary expansion. The numbers tell a staggering story of growth. Just a few years ago, the data center and AI sector was a relatively small part of CleanMax's portfolio. However, as of March 2024, the company had dedicated 250 megawatts of its capacity to these clients. Fast forward just 18 months to October 2025, and that figure had skyrocketed to an astonishing 2,300 megawatts. This exponential leap underscores how deeply intertwined CleanMax's future is with the digital transformation sweeping across India. The company isn't just a beneficiary of this trend, it's a critical enabler of it. As of late 2025, the data and AI sector alone accounted for over 43% of CleanMax's total contracted capacity, both operational and under development. This highlights a deliberate and successful strategic pivot to serve the most power-hungry and sustainability-focused clients in the market. Companies like Equinix, a global leader in data center infrastructure, have turned to CleanMax to ensure their Indian facilities run on green electrons. This symbiotic relationship means that as the demand for data grows, so does the demand for the clean energy solutions that CleanMax provides, creating a powerful and sustained growth cycle. Why are these tech companies overwhelmingly choosing CleanMax? The answer lies in reliability, scale, and expertise. Building and operating a data center is a complex, multi-billion-dollar investment, and its owners cannot afford energy disruptions. CleanMax's wind-solar hybrid projects are particularly attractive because they offer a more consistent power supply than standalone solar or wind farms, generating power during the day with solar and often through the night with wind. This higher reliability, combined with CleanMax's proven track record of executing massive projects on time, gives data center operators the confidence they need to power their mission-critical infrastructure. With its growth trajectory pointing sharply upwards, CleanMax is now turning to the public markets to fuel its next chapter of expansion. Today, on February 23, 2026, the company launched its initial public offering, aiming to raise a substantial 3,100 crore rupees. The issue, priced in a band of 1,000 to 1,053 rupees per share, consists of a fresh issue of shares to raise 1,200 crore rupees for the company, alongside an offer for sale of 1,900 crore rupees from existing shareholders. This IPO is not just a financial milestone. It's a testament to the immense value and potential the market sees in India's renewable energy story. Even before the IPO opened to the public, CleanMax received a massive vote of confidence from some of the world's most sophisticated investors. The company recently concluded a pre-IPO funding round, raising approximately 1,500 crore rupees. This round was led by global investment giants Temasek and Bain Capital, who invested at the top end of the IPO price band. Their participation, alongside existing anchor investor Brookfield, another global asset management titan, signals strong institutional belief in CleanMax's business model, its leadership under Kuldeep Jain, and its pivotal role in the green energy transition. This backing provides powerful validation for retail investors considering the issue. The company has a clear plan for the funds it will raise. A significant portion, around 1,125 crore rupees from the fresh issue, is earmarked for repaying outstanding debt. This move will strengthen the company's balance sheet, reduce interest costs, and provide greater financial flexibility for future growth. The remaining proceeds will be channeled into general corporate purposes, including strategic investments in emerging green technologies, like battery energy storage systems and green hydrogen. These investments will ensure CleanMax stays at the cutting edge of the energy transition, ready to offer even more sophisticated solutions to its clients. Looking ahead, CleanMax's plans are nothing short of ambitious. As of February 2026, the company has an operational portfolio of 2.8 gigawatts, but holds a total contracted portfolio of nearly 6 gigawatts. This means it has a pipeline of 3.17 gigawatts of projects already secured with clients, which it plans to build and commission over the next 2 years. In essence, CleanMax is set to more than double its operational capacity in a very short period. This pre-sold, visible growth, combined with its leadership position and the unstoppable trend of corporate decarbonization, positions CleanMax as a compelling story of green growth for the years to come.